project is 6-story mixed building, and my company name is ACTS Cost Consultant.
Okay. So you are representing junior quantity survey.
Yes.
Okay. So BEANT, in my proposed project, what type of sustainable strategies you can propose?
The first strategy is FSC timber cladding, is a premium cladding, and the second one is BEANT, which is 100% New Zealand manufactured carpet.
Okay. So that means as your first strategy, you are going to use with FSC timber. What is that FSC timber means?
Is a forest stripper concept.
Okay. So that is kind of a organization.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So the second one, you are going to replace all the floorings with that wool one, or just some of the specific?
Just the bedrooms.
Okay. In residential areas.
In residential.
Okay. So BEANT, could you please explain a little bit more how these two strategies going to improve my project value, and also how it's going to support to increase the performance of the NZBC?
The FSC timber cladding is initial cost is lower than the existing one, which one is a clay brick cladding.
Okay.
And it's also decrease the embedded energy.
Okay.
Which one is, and it's locally available with several suppliers, so transport cost is also low.
Okay.
And it's also increase the energy efficiency.
Okay. So how about the second method, second strategy?
It's also manufactured in New Zealand. It's a New Zealand manufactured company, so it's locally easily available. So transport cost is also low, and it's also energy efficiency, and it's also low carbon emissions.
Why you are saying wool carpet's going to be energy efficient rather than existing bedroom flooring?
It's because it's increasing the thermal insulation.
Good. Okay. So, could you please explain? Could you please tell me what type of expected durability can be expected from the wool carpet and the FSC timber?
For the wool carpet, it's around 20 years, and for the FSC timber, it's around 30 years.
Okay.
And it's also aligned with the NZBC clause B2 for durability and H1 for energy efficiency.
So, BEANT, you mentioned something called embedded carbon. So, how that embedded carbon going to be less in FSC timber?
From raw material extracting and then manufacturing and transporting. So
Okay.
this period time, the carbons, it's decreasing the embedded energy.
So you are saying that carbon within that process is going to be less with
Yes,
compared to other
compared
traditions?
to other.
Okay. So BEANT, if I'm planning to apply certifications like Green Star certificate or a Home Star certificate in the future, how these two sustainable strategies going to help me with that?
These strategies are easily aligned with these two, Green Star and Home Star, because it's aligned with the NZBC clause B2 and H1,
Okay.
and it also energy efficiency and durable material for future.
So in terms of NZBC performance, I can apply
Yes,
certificate. Okay, BEANT, I hope I clarified most of the concern which I had. So thank you so much for suggesting me this. I'll have a look about my client side and I'll come to you. Thank you so much.